every second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it.
And the entire house actually smells like this. I love it. Bright red.
Coming like a thief in the night. 16 minutes ago. Sorry, I was busy, but I missed you.
Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, I just woke up, I was on the phone call, and yep, I'm still defrosting, hence my face look like this. But right now I just want to clean, and then after cleaning I'm gonna take a shower. Then after taking a shower, instead I just swept, I didn't mop, I didn't do anything. But let me do that and then leave. I need to go back to my place. We're gonna ciao ciao, but good morning.
I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
But I don't know where to put them. So this vase broke, as you can see, it broke, and I didn't know where to put my flowers because the other vase has a plant in it. But I got creative. Don't judge me. We look, we don't judge, okay? Tell me, how does somebody do this? Okay, I'm creative. Number one, I need to be myself. I'm creative and I'm clumsy at bake the vases, but this works. I think somebody should send help, or this is just gonna live in here for like 2 weeks or something. I'm just gonna keep changing the water, but it's gonna live here for like 2 more weeks. And if there's no help, it's okay. We can live with this. By the way, they're so pretty. Let me just take them out here. They're so pretty, and the entire house actually smells like this. I love it. I love it. I think it's the yellow ones that actually smells good, but I love it. I love the aura. I love the scent. It's so pretty. And yep, I am, weird enough, I'm actually growing out of flowers. I really used to love flowers so bad. I really used to love flowers so bad that I got angry every single time I didn't get flowers. But now I think I'm growing out of it, and I'm starting to like air fryers more. I'm starting to like a car more. I'm going to like some washing machine more. I'm joking, but if you heard, you heard. Okay, update, we got some new nails done. This is the nails. Bright red, and it matches my toes. That's why I really like that one. And then the hair, you guys want to see it? Okay, so this is the hair. This is what we're working with, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna have some okay, I really want to have lashes on, but today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Very upgraded. I don't know if you're surprised. Got it in white, stylized.
How I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to.
Today I need to fix this. This has been living in here for, should be 4 days now. I really watched my other vase, that one that had a plant in it. the way, the daisies smell the best. These smell good. Okay, this is number 1, and then this is number 2. Combined, they smell so good. The aura is so perfect. Perfect is an understatement. It looks so pretty already. Guys, this is my lazy video and this is where it will end, and I promise that next time I'll be better. Next time I'll have longer video with more activities, I promise. But for now, bye.